What's up, good people? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, so guys, it's another beautiful day and I woke up feeling like I need to change something in this house. Like I want to see some change. I want to see some some different vibes. The easiest way to do some changes is to DIY some things here and there. And so today I've decided I'm going to change the color of my mirror. My mirror is white, so I'm going to change that. And I also have some few bottles that I've recycled. I also want to change the colors of that. I have this one. So this has my flowers that are dried. Yeah, so I'm going to change the color of this. I have this other one. I'm also going to change the color of this, and I have this other one that I'm yet to use. I'll also be changing the color of this. Of course, I'll remove this wrap, yeah, and we'll change the color of that. So let me also show you the mirror before, but yeah, after that I'm going to, so I'll place here the mirror. This is the mirror. Yeah, so after this intro, that is, I'm going to look for the spray paint. So basically I'll just be using the spray paint. I've never used spray paint before, so this is going to be the first time. Yeah, I'm going to get a spray paint in color black. Yeah, I want to change them to black. My mirror will be from white to black, then these bottles also to black. Yeah, so let's do this. I just hope I don't regret afterwards. Yeah, so pray for me, fingers crossed. I hope, and I'm just hoping I'll love the result. So guys, I'm back and I was just going to get the paint, but this is what I got. All this can't be paint. Yeah, but in this bag, first of all, I have the paint. I don't know why it has that thing inside that keeps shaking, but the people at the store said it's for mixing the ink. I don't know why it needs to mix when I can just shake it like that and then it mixes. So I got it in matte black, and yeah, it says all purpose, interior, exterior. Cap signifies color, the cap is black. Quick drying, bright finish, makes surface smooth, good for interior and exterior application. Acrylic paint. Yeah, so I got this. The other thing that I got is this rolling stick or rolling pin. And then this was so unexpected, but I saw this blender and I thought it was cheap actually for a blender, especially nowadays the prices that I see online for blenders and even in stores, especially in supermarkets. So I thought, now that it's just like I want a commercial blender or something, I just want a blender that I can be using to blend tomatoes when I'm cooking and some juice, once in a while. Yeah, so I won't be using this every day, but I thought for the price that it was going for, it was just good if I get it. Yeah, so I got a blender, and also I'm going to mount my TV today. So yeah, we're going to have a few transformations here and there. That's what I wanted. Yeah, so let's do this. So that's my mirror right now. It's in white. The only thing that I'm wondering is, how am I going to paint this without spoiling the wall and also the mirror and my carpet down here? You can see my TV is still there. I can't remove the mirror since I asked someone to place these pins for me, so it's like it's stuck there. My caretaker did a very bad job painting the wall and painting the wardrobe also and the cabinets. I just hope I'm not going to do something like that.
so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause they try to break it in. New condo, singing name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one.
How far I am. For the painting, look at what you have down there. And this is how much I got on my hand. This is not focusing. Okay. I have that, this, that. I just hope they'll come off. Wow, I'm tired. Guys, that's how it looks like at the moment. I'll leave it to dry before I clean. There's errors, as you can see. I've realized it's actually not hard to clean. You remember the one that was here? I've already cleaned it. I love it.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like.
So imeishia kwa njia. I'll see if I can get another bottle. I'll see if I can get another bottle, but even as it is right now, I feel like it still looks okay. Especially now when I add the artificial flowers. I feel like it's just fine. So I let it dry and then I'll show you guys the end result. So meanwhile, let me clean the mirror.
In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah.
So as you can see, I finished painting the mirror and the TV is up. Though it needs to be adjusted, the phone will come to do that. And over here, I finally got the plant deco, and tomorrow my coffee table will be here. Yeah, so I'm just so excited, and the house is transforming and I'm loving it. Yeah, so let's unwrap this one with you guys.
Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.